hear you, Breaker.
Yeah, this is Vincent again. How are you doing?
Hello, Vincent. Yeah, I hear you this time. Yeah, what's your number?
21 RS004. 21 RS004.
Yeah, you're swinging in and out. I'm in Chartham as well. Can you hear Melvin?
I don't give it a try.
Yeah, I'll talk to him. You're mobile, Kate, aren't you? Tell him.
Yeah, I'm mobile in my car. Vincent?
Yes, fading away again. Just keep on talking. Anytime when you're loud and clear, I will call you.
Yeah, my number is Charlie Tango 3591.
Okay, Charlie Tango 3591. I've recorded that. Well, my number is 21 RS004. If you give me that. And my name is Vincent, and I live in Mellerud, Sweden.
And my one's Charlie Tango 3595.
Oh, that's funny. It's nearly the same as the other one, 5391. Well, it's beautiful. I looked it up in Google. It's quite a long distance for a event.
Yeah, you're coming in really well. Going up and down with the propagation, it's a bit unstable, but yeah, when you come in really clearly. And Kate's mobile, but stationary, and you're hitting her at 30 plus.
It's beautiful, and it's only the 50 watts. Okay, I have a directional English-made Moxon antenna, but still, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, it's coming through really well. Modulation's really nice.
I have a CRC 7900 with a standard mic, and I turned up the mic on a little bit, but that's all really.
Yeah, it's perfect. Coming through beautifully.
I'm original from Holland, but I immigrated here 5 years ago.
Yeah, right. Your English is excellent. It's really good. There's nothing wrong with it at all.
Well, I do my best.
Can you get
Can you get him, Kate?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Give him a shout.
Are you there, Vincent?
I still didn't catch your name, but it doesn't matter really. I'm happy to talk to you all.
Yeah, it's Kate. And you spoke to Barry earlier on. Barry, you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here. Yeah, you're strong. You're both really strong. You're S5 now. Yeah, you're a good 10 dB over here, Vincent. A 10 dB, good 10 dB. I'm running a Magnum S9 High Max 2000 and running around 150 whiskies there, Roger. 150 whiskies, that's a lot. I only have 50 whiskies. I like whiskies though. Well, for 50 whiskies, my friend, you're doing very, very well. That's only because I have an English antenna. Go again on the antenna. Yes, I have a Moxon antenna. Moxon, yeah, Roger. Of course, I don't know it from the top of my head. Some Inno antenna, Inno. Did you get that, Kate?
Yeah, is that an English antenna then, Vincent?
Right, Inno antenna. And they make professional antennas, but also antennas for the 10 meter band or 11 meter band. And this is a 2-element beam antenna. Shoulder beam, it's only 3 meters wide.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, you're breaking up a little bit now, but keep coming in.
Yeah, okay, so fading away slowly, but I hope you are talking a lot on this frequency so I can monitor it every day and see if it works.
Yeah, normally on the 19, if you shout on the 19, that's the English call up channel.
So the English channel 19.
Yeah, so if you call up on the 19, you'll get a lot of response.
It's the first time this year I talked to an English lady.
Well, I feel privileged.
It's an honor.
Yeah, I've had this in my car for about 3 months, I reckon, maybe 2 months. So yeah, you're the first Swedish person I've spoken to.
Well, I'm not from Sweden. I'm a Dutchman living in Sweden for 6 years now, and I'm married and have a little house in the woods.
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, you're swinging in and out. Mel, can you still hear him?
Yeah, you're fading away now slowly, Kate. You know, I leave it to you guys there, to you, Kate, to discuss with English neighbors, because it's fading away and it's getting difficult. But I will monitor channel 19 and this channel more often.
Yeah, it's really great to speak to you.
73 to you all. I keep on listening and I hope it will come back. Bye bye.
73s.
My name's Melvin, by the way. Oh, he's gone out. Sounds like he's got a nice place in the woods, he was saying.
Barry, can you still hear me?
Yeah, got you, Vincent.
Yeah. Could you repeat your name, please, Barry?
Yeah, Bravo Whiskey 001 there, Roger.
That's it. I thought you were the same call sign as Melvin. Bravo Whiskey 001. Perfect. Beautiful.
Yeah, absolute cracking conditions when allowed. Yeah, been a pleasure, Vincent, been a pleasure.
For me as well, Melvin, Kate and Barry. It's fading away again. I'm going to monitor this frequency more often because I really enjoy talking to you guys. Bye-bye.
Roger there, Vincent, no problem at all. Yes, enjoyed talking to you, Vincent, as well. We'll call you out when the propagation comes in.
I don't hear Kate. Thanks anyway, all. Bye-bye.
Oh, I hear you, Vincent. Yeah, really clear. Bye, Vincent.
Bye, Vincent, all the best to you.
All the best to England. Bye-bye.
Yeah, 73's there, Vincent. All the best to you and the family. Be safe.
And don't forget to wash your hands, Barry. Bye-bye.